Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Class and today we will be doing the teaser of Lumbini LSI by Lumbini Constructions Private Ltd. The project is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. But before starting the video, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, we are standing at the exact location of the project, and this is going to be your marketing office, and this entire place is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, in this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's get this video started. Next, coming over to the project overview, Lumbini LSI is spread across approximately 2.5 acres of land parcel, and the project consists of 10 residential towers with ground plus 15 floors, and the total number of units in the project is 156 premium residences offering 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK spacious apartments. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. This is your Financial District Road and this is your connectivity. And your nearby connectivity, the outer regional ring road is only 5 minutes from here. Gachibowli being 7 minutes away from here, and High-Tech City only 15 minutes away. Coming over to the amenities part, the project provides you with premium and world-class amenities like a clubhouse which is 11,000 square feet. Then there's rooftop, infinity swimming pool, AC gym, outdoor sports facilities like a basketball court, landscape gardens, and many more. Next, coming over to the super built-up area, as mentioned, the project offers premium residences with approximate super built-up area like 3 BHK is 2,101 square feet to 2,700 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 3,128 square feet and 4 BHK is 4,143 to 4,214 square feet. Next, coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So right now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be shown the site as well as the sample flat apartment, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Lumbini LIC by Lumbini Constructions Private Ltd, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. For more such amazing videos, lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.